Hi everyone, this is your astronumerologist Karandeep Singh telling you about the most awaited prediction for the year 2021. Year 2020 had been tough for most of us due to the corona pandemic. 2021 is a year of transformation and revival. While for a specific prediction, I would need to analyze your horoscope, which will involve your date of birth, time and location of birth, and also do your numerology calculation of your personal year, personal month, and personal date. But in this video of mine, the general prediction and general remedy will hold good for all. 2021 sums up to number 5, which is represented by planet Mercury or Budh. It is a planet of communication, travel, नॉलेज एंड स्पीड. जैसे मरकुरी का पारा ऊपर नीचे होता है, दिस ईयर यू विल सी सम काइंड ऑफ एनवायरमेंटल इम्पैक्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्सट्रीम वेदर कंडीशन, वेदर इट इज टू हॉट और टू कोल्ड. दिस ईयर विल बी गुड फॉर इंडस्ट्रीज लाइक बैंकिंग, ITITS, telecommunication, bank, pharma sector, healthcare sector. There will be a revival in airlines, hospitality and travel industry, especially during the second half of the year. There will also be revival in real estate industry this year. Industries which are related to knowledge like coaching, consultancy, astrology, astronomy, online coaching will do good this year. Industries related to speed like shipping and logistics will also do good this year. Budh वाणी का कारक है, hence this is going to be a good year for speech therapist. Budh represents skin. This year is going to be good for dermatologists, cosmetic and beauty industry. Overall, the behavior of people this year is going to be more business minded. They will keep thinking profit and loss in their mind. They will save more and waive off their debts. There might be some kind of revolt by women organization in the world due to some issue. The first quarter of 2021 will see key changes in the governmental position across the world. Overall, for our country, India which sums up to 3 and Bharat which sums up to 6, both 3 and 6 are friendly to number 5, which is the ruling year number. Hence, this year is going to be good for our country. 3 is anti to number 4 and 7. 4 is April, 7 is July. Hence, we have to be cautious in these months. 6 is anti to 1, 2, 4, 6 and 7. 1 is January and October. 2 is November and February. 4 is April. 6th is June and 7th is July. So, we have to be cautious these months also. Overall, the second half of the year is going to be good for country, but the best is yet to come after 1st January 2022. In terms of investment in metal, I will not advise you to invest in gold this year because Jupiter is going to transit through Aquarius and Capricorn sign. Saturn will remain in Capricorn sign and we will see a surge in the shares related to steel, cement, crude oil, housing and realty. If you want to buy metal, I would advise you to buy silver metal since Mercury is silverish, it will give you good returns. Population will increase, singles will mingle, couples who had child issue will be able to resolve these issues. Lot of transfer and promotions which were pending last year will get through this year. Overall, in terms of the colors, the favorable colors will be which you can wear are light green, off-white, white and cream color. Avoid red, black and brown color this year. This year will be a tremendous year for people whose birth numbers are 5 and 6, which means people who are born on 5th, 14th, 23rd, 6th, 15th or 24th of any month. This is also going to be a good year for people who are born on who have birth numbers 8, yani ki born on 8, 17 or 26th of any month. This year will be challenging for those people who have birth numbers 2 and 9. 2 are people who are born on 2, 11, 20th or 29th of any month and 9 means people who are born on 9th, 18th and 27th of any month. Giving individual birth number predictions, first we start with birth number 1. People who are born on 1st, 10th and 19th of any month, they are ruled by planet Surya. Both Mercury is the closest to Surya and these are people who are little dominating, they don't like to work under anyone. But I'll give you the mantra this year कि गधे को भी बाप बना लीजिए. Be diplomatic and show gratitude. Coming to birth number 2, people who are born on 2nd, 11th, 20th or 29th of any month are ruled by planet Chandra. This year can be little challenging in terms of relationships and health, especially between January to April. So take care of it. Also keep your emotional perspective side. Don't only depend upon luck. put your efforts 150%. A simple advice to people with birth number 2 is to carry a square silver piece with them in their bag or in their pockets every time, or you can also keep it in the northeast direction of your house. Coming to birth number 3. These are people who are born on 3rd, 12th, 21st or 30th of any month. They are ruled by planet Guru. Guru is a teacher, Budh is a Shishya. So people with birth number 3, especially students who are waiting to clear their competitive exam, this year you will be able to do that. It's going to be positive for you. Suggestion for number 3 people is that think twice before you talk. Next is number 4 birth number, which is represented by planet Rahu. These are people who are born on 4th, 13th, 22nd or 31st of any month. These people need to go to phase 2 of their goals. They need to think before they act, do investments which are only long term, and don't drive in haste, otherwise it can lead to accidents. Simple advice is keep a small silver elephant toy in your pocket all the time to make this year good for you. Next is birth number 5, people who are born on 5th, 14th or 23rd of any month. This is going to be the best year for you. You will have promotion, you will be able to build your houses. This year is going to be very materialistic also for you in terms of your materialistic gain. But simple advice is keep your temperament in control and don't overthink much. Next is birth number 6, ruled by planet Venus or Shukra. People born on 6th, 15th or 24th of any month. This year will give you a lot of materialistic gain. However, your best year is yet to come, which is 2022. All your pending tasks will also get accomplished this year. But a simple advice to you is don't overeat much if you're a foodie like me. Next is birth number 7. People who are born on 7th, 16th or 25th of any month are ruled by planet Ketu. This year can give you some restlessness. Hence focus on yoga and meditation this year. And don't take much stress related to friends and family. Next is birth year number 8. These are people who are born on 8th, 17th or 26th of any month. They are ruled by planet Shani, Saturn, which promotes hard work. Buddhi Budh ka karak hai. All your hard work is going to now start giving you good result, while the best results will come in year 2022. So my advice to you is keep on doing hard work. Don't think about fast money and don't think about shortcuts in promotion. Next is birth year number 9. People who are born on 9th, 18th or 27th of any month. This year will be little challenging for you, so take calculated risk, think before you act. Again, don't drive in haste like I told about number 4, and otherwise it can lead to accidents, especially during the second half of the year. Promote teamwork, focus on your physical fitness, and my advice to number 9 people is wear a silver chain in your neck all the time. So friends, this is the general prediction for year 2021 along with the remedies, and I hope that this becomes one of a very good years for you and give you a lot of success and happiness. Thank you.